Good morning students. In previous YouTube link I had explained you English lesson number 3 school breaks up. So students let's have a quick revision. चलो जल्दी जल्दी बताओ कौन है हमारे स्टोरी में. There is a boy स्वामीनाथन. क्या नेम है? स्वामीनाथन. And where he was standing in the veranda. It means open space. है कि नहीं? एंट्रेंस के पास की जो ओपन स्पेस है he is स्वामीनाथन is standing there. Why? Because he had completed and submitted his paper. He had completed and submitted his exam paper 20 minutes before. And what he is doing now? He is watching inside the classroom. Inside the examination hall, he is watching that his friend Sankar, he was lost to the world. Rajam was became a writing machine. It means he is continuously going on writing. Mani, he is gazing. And P, he is leaning back and revising his answer. So students, हमने इतना part complete कर लिया था. Now let's see what happens in the second part. Turn your page. Okay. Then come to page number 32. Let's start. Swaminathan suddenly wished that he had not come out so soon. But how could he have stayed in the hall longer? Now Swaminathan, what he is thinking? कि मुझे इतनी जल्दी पेपर सबमिट नहीं करना था. I think I should taken more time. The Tamil paper was set to go on till 5 o'clock. He had found himself writing the last line of the last question at 4:30. So, what happened? What was the exam? He was having a Tamil exam. कौन सी एग्ज़ाम थी स्वामीनाथन की? तमिल पेपर की एग्ज़ाम थी. And what was the exam time? Up to 5 o'clock. But Swaminathan, he had completed his last answer up to 4:30 only. It means 5 o'clock का पेपर उसने कितने टाइम में फिनिश कर लिया? 4:30 टाइम में. The sixth answer was the best of the lot. It took only a minute to answer it. The question was, what moral do you infer from the story of the Brahmin and the tiger? So, what was the last question of his क्वेश्चन पेपर? तमिल क्वेश्चन पेपर का लास्ट क्वेश्चन क्या था? What moral do you infer from the story of the Brahmin and the tiger? He have to write the moral of the story. So what he said? Yeah, ये तो बहुत अच्छा आंसर है because it took only 1 minute. Answer. Brahmin is passing along the edge of a pond. A tiger hails him from the other bank and offers him a gold bangle. So what is the story here? One Brahmin, he is on the one side of the pond and the tiger is on the another side of the pond. What tiger is having? He is having a gold bangle. The Brahmin at first declines the offer, but when the tiger protests its innocence and sincerity and insists upon his taking the bangle, he wades through the water. Before he could hold out his hand for the bangle, he is inside the tiger. So, ब्राह्मण ने पहली बार क्या किया? He rejected his offer. उन्होंने टाइगर का ऑफर रिजेक्ट कर लिया. What did he said? That he don't want the gold bangle. But what did tiger do? उन्होंने प्रोटेस्ट किया. It means he influenced. He insisted. ब्राह्मण को इंसिस्ट किया कि ले लो. You should take this gold bangle. And what did Brahmin do? He came into his things. Yes or no? वो टाइगर की बातों में आ गए. And Brahmin, he wades. He wades means उन्होंने pond cross किया and he had taken out his hand for the bangle. But before he could take the bangle, what did tiger do? Tiger ate him up. Swaminathan had never thought that this story contained a moral. So स्वामीनाथन को क्या लगा? इस स्टोरी में कुछ मोरल है? कुछ नहीं. But now he felt that it must have one since the question paper mentioned it. So now what Swaminathan is thinking? कि अरे कुछ तो मोरल होना चाहिए था, right? He should have that question paper. He should have that answer paper. He took a minute to decide whether the moral was we must never accept a gold bangle when it is offered by a tiger or love of gold bangle cost one's life. So while writing the answer, what Swaminathan was thinking? What should be the moral of this story? क्या ऐसा मोरल होना चाहिए? That we must never accept a gold bangle offered by a tiger. Or the moral should be love of gold bangle cost one's life. He saw more logic in the letter and wrote it down. After writing, he had looked at the big hall clock. Half an hour more. What had he to do for half an hour? But he felt awkward to be the first to go out. So, what did Swaminathan do? He was thinking for the answer. अभी भी कितना टाइम था? हाफ एन आवर टाइम था एंड ही वॉज स्टिल थिंकिंग फॉर द आंसर दैट व्हाट शुड आई राइट, whether this is the right one moral or whether the second one is the right one moral. Who was thinking? Swaminathan was thinking. And how he was feeling? He was feeling awkward. उसे थोड़ी shy feel हो रहा था ना पहले बाहर जाने के लिए, because he was the first student in the classroom to complete his answer sheet. He had found it hard to kill time. He had looked wistfully at the veranda outside. अभी कैसे देख रहा है? बहुत eagerly, बहुत ऐसे आंखें लगा कर देख रहा है. Yes students, you also do. While writing, you again peep out of the door, right? आप लोग भी ऐसे एग्जाम लिखते वक्त देखते ना, कब टाइम अप हो जाएगा, when we will go out, right? In the same way, Swaminathan, he is also wistfully looking out in the veranda. If only he could pluck up enough courage to hand in the paper and go out, he would have no more examinations for a long time to come. He could do what he pleased. Now Swaminathan, what he is thinking कि बस क्या करना है, उठ के पेपर देना है टीचर को, and then the exam will be over, then the Tamil exam will be over, then he can do whatever he wants to do out of the classroom, out of the examination hall. He had seen the supervisor observing him and had at once pretended to be busy with the answer paper. Later on Swaminathan ने क्या देखा कि सुपरवाइजर एग्जाम वाले टीचर क्या कर रहे हैं, उसे ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं. And then what again he tried? He just tried, oh I am busy in writing answer है ना, like this he started doing. So students, here we will end up our second part. Understood? Till that what you have to do, you have to read this second part, and in the next video I will be explaining you the next part. Remember, till that आपको ये second part read करना है. Read the story again, think about the tiger and the Brahmin, and think about the moral also. Okay students, read this story, the second part, that is page number 32. In next video I will be explaining you the remaining third and fourth part. Okay, bye bye.